Hi all. So let's talk today about the respiratory tract infections and its solutions. So we know cough is a headache, a big headache during the winter season and also during the rainy season. It is not only during these two climates. We know some of the patients will be suffering throughout the year. So what is happening here? We know as soon as you wake up early in the morning, some of them will be having dry cough. So what is dry cough? Dry cough means you will not be having the phlegm to spit it outside, and some of them will be having productive cough. That is, as soon as in each bout of the cough you are able to spit out the phlegm. So we know the main places. Let's learn about the main places where the phlegm is produced. So mostly the phlegm is produced in the throat. Some of the phlegm is produced from the sinus areas, and some of them will be produced from the post-nasal dripping. And for some it will be produced in the stomach area, and for some it will be produced where? From our respiratory tract area. So these phlegm, what will be its color? Some of them will be of yellow color or white color. If the infection is keeping on going, it will be of green color. Some may be of yellow type and some may be of jelly type also. So let's learn one by one. So what is sinusitis? Sinusitis means as soon as you wake up early in the morning, you will be having a swelling around your eyes. You will be having a heaviness of the forehead. You will be having pain on your sinus areas. Plus sometimes you will be having a throat irritation, throat pain, and when you bend your head, you are feeling a heaviness of the head, and you will be having headache throughout the day. So these are why you are getting these sinus symptoms, because these all are air areas actually. This air area is filled with phlegm. So because of these you are getting what? This area, as it is filled with phlegm, you are having this sinusitis or sinus infections. So to get rid of the sinus infections, I will be telling you the solutions. Please keep watching on the video. Next, let's check about what is postnasal dripping. In the postnasal dripping, what is happening actually? When you sit itself, you can feel the phlegm is coming down. So you have to clear your throat to speak each and every time, because the phlegm is filled there. Next main thing is GERD. GERD means gastroesophageal reflux disease. So here what is happening actually? Here actually the digestion is not happening properly. Why digestion is not happening properly? We know because of the present day lifestyle, most of us are doing what? You are taking the food. As soon as you take the food, you are going to bed early. When you are going to bed not early, you are going to bed lately. That is, as soon as you are taking the food, then you are going to bed. So what is happening during this time? Acid reflux actually, it is actually coming in the upward direction. That is, our esophageal sphincter is getting loose. So what happened? Acid content is getting mixed with the food content. So some of them will be experiencing what? They will be having the dry cough as soon as they go to sleep, after a good sleep. Then some of them will be experiencing the dry cough in the morning hours. Some of them will not be having both of these symptoms. As soon as they wake up and all, they will be having this sneezing, nasal block, etc. So make sure in the GERD and all, you have to take your food at 7 o'clock. Then you have to go to bed by 10 p.m. This is very important. And in any case, being a doctor, what I will be suggesting is that let's go early to bed, because all the respiratory tract infections is aggravated if you are staying late night. So it is very important. And make sure you are drinking hot water, okay, not cold water or cold drinks or soft drinks. So we know whenever we spit the sputum, some of them will be of infectious type, that is yellow color, green color. If the infection is keeping on going, it will be of green color. Sometimes it will be stained with blood and all. So we have to learn how to do some of the home remedies to how to tackle this kind of situations. So I have told you about the sinusitis, GERD and postnasal dripping. So let's check about how we can tackle these. So first main thing is what I can tell you is that don't take the head bath at uneven times. Uneven times means some of them used to take the head bath during late night and all. Late night or late afternoon and all. It is not good. Both of these conditions will aggravate the inflammation. And next main thing is that for the hair growth, I have seen many of the ladies, they are keeping on applying the hair oils that is told in the YouTube. One thing I can tell you, you don't know how a hair oil is prepared properly. If the hair oil is not prepared properly, if it is containing any moisture content, it is going to harm you. Yes, it is going to harm your health. So, always take a hair oil with the prescription of an Ayurveda doctor. It is very important because if you are suffering from recurrent respiratory tract infections, this point you have to note it out. And second main thing is that whenever you get a cold, make sure you are not taking any cold items. You are taking only warm food items. And as soon as you get the cold, what you have to do is that take a pain balm, apply it on your forehead, on your this area, sinus areas, and on your throat. After that, what you have to do? Take steam with water boiled with either 2 teaspoons of turmeric or water boiled with 10 gram of dry ginger. After that, let's do a good gargling. You can repeat this process at least 2 to 3 times a day. Next, what I can tell you is that if you are not at all feeling appetite, let's go with a little hot water or warm water. You can take it from morning through the night. If you're taking from morning to the night, one thing I can tell you, your symptoms will be reduced to half actually. You will be feeling a lot of relief. Next, what is the biggest mistake most of the people is doing is that they are lying down in the fan or AC as soon as they are taking a steam. Don't do like that because the sweat, it have to dissolve by itself. You have to bring the body to its own body temperature. And also during the night time, make sure you are covering your throat area. Then let me tell you some good home remedies. So are you a person who is suffering from recurrent respiratory tract infections? Let's take half teaspoon of turmeric powder with a little honey. Mix it and take it. It will be helping you a lot. Then do you feel that some phlegm is stuck in the throat area? Let's prepare a good drink. Boil 1 glass of water. Along with this 1 glass of water, add 5 gram of turmeric powder, half lemon, and let's do what? Let's drink this water sip by sip. Actually, it is a very good drink. Whenever you are not feeling taste after an attack of fever and all, it will be helping you a lot. Now, third main thing is that sometimes you will be having this nose block. You will be continuous having the bouts of cough. Let's prepare a good mixture. Take 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Along with that, 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, 1 teaspoon of garlic juice, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, plus 3 teaspoon of honey. Mix it all, make it a linked preparation. Take it 3 to 5 times a day up to 1 week. Next week you can reduce the dosage. It is also a very good home remedy. Next, are you having this thicky sputum? In the thicky sputum, what you can do? Let's try to dissolve it. Okay, take 5 gram of turmeric powder. Along with that, take 5 gram of dry ginger powder plus 3 gram of pepper powder. Mix whole of the mixture and you can take it morning and evening before food. Now, let's prepare another decoction. Another decoction powder, not another mixture. Another mixture, how this will be helping, I can tell you. Let's take 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and this you can use in dry cough actually. Along with this, 5 gram of cumin powder. With that, 5 gram of dry ginger powder. Along with that, apply it with a little amount of honey. And what you can do, mix all these and you can take. Not only this is a good solution for dry cough, I can tell you another good production for the dry cough. Actually, that will reduce the dry cough instantaneously. Take 1 or 2 teaspoon of ghee. Along with that, add 4 to 5 cloves. Just heat it or double boil. Then remove the cloves and drink this ghee. It is actually very good relief for the dry cough problems. So I have told you many of the home remedies. Hoping that these home remedies will be helpful for you. Always follow the simple rule and don't take any food items that is heavy to digest during this time, like this alfam, biryani items and all, because it is again going to aggravate the symptoms. So take care during this winter season. Hoping that this will be helpful for you. Thank you, dears.